In the final week of December 2024, the Indian stock markets exhibited modest gains, recovering from the significant declines experienced earlier in the month. The benchmark indices, Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex, both registered increases of approximately 1% over the week. Key sector performances. Automobile sector. The auto index led the market with a 1.7% increase on December 27, driven by attractive valuations and potential earnings growth. Notable gainers included Bajaj Auto and Tata Motors, each rising around 2.5%. Information technology, despite the overall market recovery, the IT sector faced challenges, declining by 0.7% on December 30. This downturn was attributed to concerns over US interest rates and sustained foreign institutional investor outflows. Pharmaceuticals. The pharmaceutical sector emerged as a top performer for the year, recording a 39% rise, indicating strong investor confidence in healthcare-related stocks. Market influencers. The market's performance was influenced by several factors. Foreign institutional investor fee activity. There were sustained fee outflows, particularly in October, which impacted market sentiment. Global economic indicators. Diminishing expectations of US rate cuts in 2025 and elevated treasury yields contributed to cautious investor behavior. Domestic economic data. The absence of major domestic triggers and the anticipation of upcoming corporate earnings reports led to subdued trading volumes as the year-end approached. Notable stock movements. JSW Energy. The stock climbed 6.6% after announcing a definitive agreement to acquire renewable power company O2 Power Midco Holdings. Vodafone Idea. Shares rose 2.6% following regulatory relief from the Telecom Department, which dispensed with the requirement of submitting bank guarantees for spectrum acquired through auctions. Ola Electric Mobility. The company saw a 3% decline due to the resignations of two senior executives. Outlook. Analysts anticipate that the Indian stock markets may remain subdued in the near term, with investors awaiting triggers such as monthly auto sales data and the December quarter earnings. The broader market indices, including small-cap and mid-cap stocks, also closed flat, reflecting a cautious approach among investors.